Hi everyone.
Hello, Peter here. Joe's just told me that we're doing the Goldfields track.
With a Mount Franklin view. It's a 5.9 kilometers one way.
Yeah, just round it up to 6.
Yeah, okay. It'll take us about 2 hours. Lots of mine shafts. It's an old sluicing area, an old gold area.
So what does sluicing mean? I'll tell you when we come back.
Used to wash away all the soil to try and find the quartz gold.
Great. So we've got a lot of slurry.
Yeah, no much slurry, but very damaged area, very dry.
Not sounding very attractive at the moment. So let's see what we've got ahead of us.
All right, let's go and check it out. All right.
Bye.
Chat soon. Bye. Okay, well, we're here at one of the many of the spotted mine shafts along our walk, and if Peter's not careful, it's going to be like a oops, only one of us is coming back.
Well, we're here at the chocolate factory. It's been a 6-kilometre walk. I think we took a bit longer than necessary to actually do it, but anyway, we're here. Unfortunately, the hot chocolates close at 4:30 and we've arrived at 4:45 when they're cleaning their machines, so I think we're going to have to make another trip back here. However, their shop was open and we did manage to get a few chocolates to reward ourselves for the walk. So anyway, we'll have another adventure here and wait until my next installment. Bye.